So hey guys, I am Ayush and you are watching Doting Tech. Google's smartphones get leaked more than any other devices, in my opinion. It's to the point that Google will unveil the handsets months before they actually launch. Now, Unbox Therapy has a video of prototype versions of the handsets. It's worth noting that these are not the retail version of the phones, as they don't even have the Google G logo on the rear. However, these are probably pretty close to an official release. Unbox Therapy doesn't dive into the software of the devices but instead is taking a look at their hardware and comparing them to last year's Pixel 6 Pro and Pixel 6. We find out that the Pixel 7 Pro is about the same size as the Pixel 6 Pro. It's possible the older device has a slightly thinner bezel, but what's more likely is the Pixel 6 Pro features a more aggressive curved display. The 7 Pro has a smaller chin than the older model as well. The Pixel 6 is quite a bit taller than the new Pixel 7. Further, the Pixel 7 has a smaller chin bezel. The Pixel 7 Pro is slightly thinner and wider than the Pixel 6 Pro. Unbox says that the Pixel 7 is actually more comfortable in the hand than the Pixel 6. The Pro model has a polished finish on the edge of the handsets, whereas the Pixel 7 features a matte finish. Additionally, Unbox Therapy says that the Pixel 7 Pro features 12 GB of RAM and his model sports 256 GB of storage. The Pixel 7, on the other hand, features 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will likely launch in early October like in previous years. A rumor indicates the handset will come out on October 13th. What are your thoughts about Pixel 7? Let me know in the comments section. That said, like and subscribe my channel if you enjoyed our video. I will see you in next one.